Court calls the case of the people versus, she's back, Tequila Evans Guyton. Come on up here, Tequila.
Waiting 2 weeks to say that.
I have. I said, when is Tequila coming back?
Can we call this case?
Pardon?
Can we recall it in a little bit?
You want me to pass it?
Yes.
So I get to,
I want whatever
I get
she
to
wants.
say Tequila again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why?
All right, folks. This hearing starts off an unexpected laugh. The judge can't help but smile while saying Tequila Evans, and for a brief second, the courtroom feels light and fun. But that mood shifts fast when a defendant begins to question his lawyer's honesty and walks straight into a heated exchange with the judge.
Yeah.
I mean, may I speak?
If you want.
I kind of don't. I don't want her to represent.
Okay, so you don't get that choice necessarily, but why?
Because just conflict, like we had a back and forth back there in the back room. Like, I don't think she has my best interest.
Really?
Yes.
Why? Because she wouldn't do it you?
Huh?
What? Because why do you say that? Because I've never known Mr. Deals not to have her client's best interest at heart.
By the things she said, this
a lot of things that she said you may have disagreed with, right?
Really all the things.
Okay, all she said. Sometimes that's a lawyer's job. Sometimes they have to give their client the hard facts of what's going on. And they have to do that they have to give them their legal interpretation of what's going on, which may not suit with what you want to happen in the world. But they just give you a steady dose of reality. So if you disagree with her legal analysis, then fine, but show me your law degree.
No, I'm disagreeing with her legal advice.
Okay, and you're doing that with your legal degree that you have, right?
No, she was.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
No, I don't have a legal degree, but she
know.
was trying to get me to waive things, and like I was telling her, it would kind of waive my rights to 180 days into trial, right?
She just got before me. Did you even listen to what she has indicated that you don't want to waive any statutory period. So she listened to what you said. She told me that, and I was going to.
Next, we see a very common courtroom problem. A defendant thinks his lawyer isn't fighting hard enough. But really, he just doesn't like hearing the truth. The judge steps in sharply. Show me your law degree. That line isn't just sarcasm. It's a reality check. Court cases run on facts and law, not emotions. Whose side are you on, Montel's or the judge's?
What do you mean? Hang on a second. Let me set the exams in these cases. And which case don't you have discovery on that he's trying to set it before you guys get a chance to even look at it? That makes so much sense, but go ahead.
Seeing media discovery on 25FB 1090.
On 1090?
Yes, Your Honor.
Discovery on that one is not complete. I'm going to note that. Do people have their witnesses available on the 3rd? Pardon? All right. Preliminary examination in these matters will be set June 3rd, 2025. AM, that's before me. Right? Those both come before me.
Then we learn the full picture. Montel's charges are no joke. The prosecutor lists child abuse, fleeing police, and gun possession. The entire mood shifts instantly. Whether he's happy with his lawyer or not, he's in serious legal danger. A reduced bond isn't just about money. It's about trust and public safety. So, does complaint seem fair or just reckless?
Your Honor, we're asking the court to consider lowering the bond on case 25FB 1142. Currently, it's set at $50,000. He's asking you to lower it to the same amount as his other case, 1,010%. Mr. Gatlin is an Ypsilanti resident. He is employed as a plumber. He at least was before he was in custody and plans to go back to that work. He's involved with his church. He plans to abide by his bond conditions. At this time, he's been in custody for 11 days now, and he is being held until May 29th on a case with Judge Washington. His sentencing is May 29th on that case. So he hopes that the bond will change at that time and that he'll be able to be released. So we're asking you to lower something he'll be able to pay.
So he's being held on a case before Judge Washington now.
Until May 29th.
What's the proceeding on May 29th? Do we know?
sentencing.
Sentencing. What kind of case is that? Do we know?
I don't know, Your Honor.
Response from the people?
Your Honor, we've asked the bond to stay the same. We think it's appropriate. He does have multiple pending cases at the same time. The case in 1090 is a stolen case. This case has concerning elements of that case accused of child abuse, but also fleeing police and possessing a firearm. We believe he's both a danger and a flight risk. And we think.
But there's a bit of light in the middle of all this. The judge quietly suggests that patience could help Montel avoid a felony. That's huge, but Montel nearly throws away that chance out of frustration. Sometimes winning in court means waiting, not shouting. The judge isn't shutting him up. He's protecting his future.
The request for a bond reduction in this case and leave his bond in place. If something happens on the 29th, before you're, because that'd be about 4 days before you see me. If something happens on the 29th where he's eligible for release, then you can contact my office and I'll reconsider this decision.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Barzell near Washington, sir.
Thank you. All right, what do we do?
Your Honor, we adjourned it a week. I had reached out to the recovery court and Mr. Reyes, his interview date is set for tomorrow.
Pardon?
His interview date is set for tomorrow.
Then Montel breaks down emotionally. He talked about homelessness, his father's illness, and financial stress. It's raw and touching. You can feel his pain. Many people might sympathize with him, but the judge has to balance compassion with law. Feelings can't decide a legal outcome.
Answer within a week.
I assume he'll get an answer really quick.
Okay. So I'll adjourn it out one more week to the 29th then.
Period.
June 29th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Excuse me. I would like to waive my circuit court.
You want to waive your preliminary examination?
That's right.
And
Have you talked to your attorney about that?
Your Honor, if I could approach with counsel.
Washington, you want to waive your preliminary examination. Your counsel's asking that I adjourn the probable cause conference. Certainly you have the right to waive it. But usually people do that in consulting with their attorney. Now, just listen closely to me. My understanding is that there is the possibility of working this thing out in a way where there may not be a felony for you.
A what?
Okay.
Pardon me?
Did you hear me or no?
No, I didn't.
That there may not be a felony.
I understand.
Okay, so that may not happen if you waive. Okay, right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm not saying no to what your request is. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it over a week, let that process happen. If it doesn't work out or whatever happens, then we can do it. Fair enough.
I'm asking for a PR. No, we just waive it. One of them.
Your Honor, he's asking for a PR.
The judge ends a hearing with strong but caring words. He won't rush the process, but he promises Montel a real chance, just not on Montel's timeline. It's a tough love moment that makes you wonder. When someone feels ignored in court, are they really being dismissed or being guided toward a truth they're not ready for? Tell me in the comments, was Montel's reaction justified, or was he legally out of line? More intense courtroom stories coming soon.